Hello everyone. Today our topic is Le Prénom Personnel. COI. That means complément d'objet indirect. Indirect objects. Now first we see what is COI and what is the difference between COI and COD. So COI. If there is a preposition a between the verb and the object, it is called COI. मतलब अगर वर्ब और ऑब्जेक्ट के बीच में एक प्रपोजिशन होता है जो कि आ है तो उसे हम सीओआई बोलेंगे. एंड व्हाट अबाउट सीओडी? सीओडी में वर्ब और ऑब्जेक्ट के बीच में कोई प्रपोजिशन नहीं होता. दैट मीन्स देयर इज नो प्रपोजिशन बिटवीन द वर्ब एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट. लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल. je parle à mon ami. अब इस एग्जांपल में mon ami ऑब्जेक्ट है. This mon ami is an object and parle is a verb. This a is a preposition in between. That means this mon ami is COI. ये mon ami complément d'objet indirect होगा, indirect object होगा, क्योंकि वर्ब और ऑब्जेक्ट के बीच में एक preposition है जो कि है a. Now let's see why we use COI. We use COI to avoid the repetition of the noun in the same sentence. For example, let's see one more example. Je donne le stylo à ma sœur. In this sentence, ma sœur is an object, donne is a verb. Now in this sentence, there are two objects. Le stylo is first object and ma sœur is a second object. Now see, le stylo is directly connected to the verb donne. That means this is COD, direct object, and ma sir is indirectly connected to the verb because there is a preposition in between. So that means this is COI. अब इस सेंटेंस में दो ऑब्जेक्ट है, एक डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है और एक इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट है. डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट क्या है? ल स्टीलो, जो कि वर्ब से डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड है, और दूसरा ऑब्जेक्ट है मा सर विच इज इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. क्यों ये इनडायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड है वर्ब से? बिकॉज देर इज अ preposition आ in between. So I think now it's clear what is COD and COI. Now let's see the grid of COI. If our object is masculine singular, it will be replaced with Louis. If our object is feminine singular, it is also replaced with Louis. And if our object is plural, it will be replaced with la. Now let's see the placement of COI. Placement of COI. As per this sentence, je parle à mon frère. I speak to my brother. In this sentence, first we need to find out the verb. Verb is parle and the object. Object is mon frère, my brother is an object. Now, this verb and this object is not directly connected to each other. There is a preposition in between a. That means this object is COI. Why this is COI? Because देयर इज अ preposition. वर्ब और ऑब्जेक्ट के बीच में एक preposition आ गया, इसलिए मो फ्रेयर इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट हो गया. अब मो फ्रेयर इज मैस्कुलाइन सिंगुलर. If it is masculine singular, it will be replaced with Louis. So now where is the place of this indirect object? The placement of this indirect object is just before the verb. So our new sentence will be je Louis parle. Okay. The first sentence was I speak to my brother. I speak to him. Je lui parle. The COD place is just before the verb. Je lui parle. In the second sentence, il écrit une lettre à son ami. Écrit is verb to write. Une lettre is direct object and it is directly connected to the verb écrit. This is first object and this is the second object and there is a preposition in between. So इसमें से COD कौन सा होगा? यून लेत्र COD होगा और सोनामी COI होगा. So where is the place of this COI before the verb? Our sentence will be il lui écrit une lettre. Tsunami is feminine singular. Feminine singular will be replaced with Louis. और COI का प्लेस क्या है? वर्ब के जस्ट पहले. और हमारा वर्ब क्या है? Accrete, to write. Our new sentence will be Il lui accrete. Now let's see the placement of COI if there are two verb in the sentence. If you see the sentence, je vais parler à mon ami. अब इस सेंटेंस में दो वर्ब हैं. First is वे, which is infinitive form of verb ale, and the second verb is already in infinitive form, which is parler, to speak. So if there are two verb in a sentence, COI will be placed just before the infinitive form of the verb. Infinitive form of the verb क्या है? Parler. So the placement of this COI will be just before the infinitive form of the verb. So a sentence will be je vais lui parler. I hope it's clear. Now let's see the placement of COI in passive composite. अगर हमारा सेंटेंस पास्ट टेंस में है तो हम COI को कहाँ प्लेस करेंगे? हम COI को प्लेस करेंगे बिफोर दी ऑक्सिलरी. हमारा ऑक्सिलरी क्या है? इफ यू सी द सेंटेंस यू आ पार्ले आ तो प्रेयर. A is auxiliary a verb. We have to replace this just before the auxiliary. Tu a parle a ton père. A ton père is COI as there is a preposition a. So it will be replaced with lui. Why it is replaced with lui? Because this object is masculine. So now new sentence will be tu lui a parle. Just before the auxiliary. In the second sentence, il a telephone a ton ami. A ton ami is COI, which is feminine plural, will be replaced with the lui. So where is the place? Just before the auxiliary. A. Tu lui a telephone. If now if our sentence is interrogation, inversion method. So where we put COI. If you see the example, ekri tu a te para. We have to place this just before the verb. So te para will be replaced with lar, and where is the place of lar will be just before the verb. Lar ekri tu. Question mark. Now this is the complete grid of COI. Ja will be replaced with ma, tu, ta, il and l will be replaced with lui, nu, nu, vu, vu, and il and l plural will be replaced with lar. So for example, il ma parle, il ta parle, nu, il nu parle, and il vous parle. Thank you so much.